The topic can be copied by clicking Copy under the three-point menu. A true copy of the topic can be made by selecting all checkboxes and giving a name. In this example, I am going to make a copy of the toys_1 dataset. On reloading the page, you can see that toys_1_copy shows up in the overview of topics in the middle panel. Here, all images, object classes, comments, and annotations have been copied. Now, let us copy another topic, toys_1_classification_triangle. Here, the boxes with comments, bounding boxes, and segments are unchecked. We can further constrain the images that will be copied by clicking on Restrictions. Here, let us select Classification and add object class as triangle. The one image with triangle as classification from toys_1 has been copied, as seen here.